Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repeat table header in Word. Open your Word document to see the header of the current table. After this, place the cursor in the header cell, right-click and choose the option, Table Properties. There in the Row tab, you must check the box, Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page. When you click OK, you can see the header on the next page of Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.